Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I'm very grateful that you all are watching my videos. Keep watching, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Let's
This
start
video
today's
is
video.
about place value to millions and write that value in words. So our first example is 8, 7, 9, 1, 2, 3, 6. Our first step will be to divide this number by comma 3 digits. We will start counting from right side. 1, 2, 3. After that we will put comma here. Again 1, 2, 3. Now we will put comma here. So we divided our number by comma. Now these three numbers, we can say these periods, and the name of this period is ones. I will write upside. This is ones period. This is thousand period. I am talking about period, not place value. This is three bunch of three number is period, and this is thousand, and now this period is million. Now come to place value. Inside this period there are three place value, 1, 2 and 3. This is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. Again this period, ones period is over here. This is up to here only. So this period is over up to 2. Now next period starts from 1. So again it will be ones. This is tens. This is 100. Now this thousand period is over here, 7, and start from 8. This million period, and we can say this ones. Now we will write this in words, this number in words. We will start from 8, and 8 is on the place value of ones, but period value is million. So 8 million. Now come to 7. 7 is at 100 place, and period is 1000. So we will write first 7 here, 700. Now 9. This period is not over. This period is over at 1. So we will not write anything apart from 100. We will write only 700. This is 91 because 9 is at tens place. So this is 91. Now come at 1. This period is over. So we will write 1000 here. We will write 1000. Because at 1 period is over. Now come to 2. New period is started once. So 2 is at 100 place. So we will write 200. 3 as at tens place. So we will write this 36. Here is our number in words. Let's see next example. Example is 7, 9, 3, 2, 1, 9, 3. Again, we will divide by comma after 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. We will put comma. 1, 2, 3. We will put comma here. Now we will put periods here. This is ones period. This is 1000. And this is million. Now come to place value. This is at ones place. This is at tens. And this is 100. That's it. Now this is new period started and we will write about new place value. Ones, tens and 100. And this is ones. Now come to write the number in word. This is 7 and this is at ones place and period is million. So we will write 7 million. We have to write in words 7 millions. This is 9 and this is place value is 100. So 9 100. Now this is 32. 32. Here this period is over at 2. Here the period is over, 1000 period is over, so we will write here 1000. Now new period started 1. This is at 100 place, so 100. And this is 93. Let's see next example. 7, 7, 9, 3, 4, 3, 2, 7. Again we will divide this number first of all by comma. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. First, this is ones period. This is 1000. And this is million. Now, again, this is ones. This is tens. And this is 100. Same ones, tens and 100. This is the place value. This is ones and this is tens. Let's start write in word. This is at tens position, so we can write this 77. 77 and the period is million, so we will write million. Let's start new period. This is 9. 9. Place value is 100. So we will write 100. 3. Place value is tens. So we will write this 34. 34 and period is 1000 because here at 4 period is over, so we will write period here 1000. Now start next 3. 3 is at 100 position, so first 300 and this is 2 is at tens position, so we can write this 27. This is the answer. Let's see next example. This is the example 932721952. Again we will start to divide this number by comma after every 3 digit. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3. First this is ones, this is 1000 and this is million. After few practice you will not require this to write ones, tens and 100. Again ones, tens and 100. Again ones, tens and 100. Now we will start from 9. 9. Place value is 100. 900. 3. Place value is tens, so we can say that 32. And here this period is over, so we will write million. Million. 7. Place value is 100. 700. 2. Place value is tens, so we can write 21. At 1, this period is over, so we will write 1000. Now come to 9. Place value is 100. 9. 100. 52. Here is the answer.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, press the like button, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel and ask your friend to subscribe my channel. Please write your queries in comments, write your suggestions in comment and write your complaints in comments so that I can work on that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep watching.